Hey guys, my name is Grace. Today I want to share something about how to install wheel spacers on Ford Mondeo. Let's get it. Before installation, you need to prepare the jack, tripod, brush remover, towel, sandpaper, torque, and the BONOSS forged FT cooling wheel spacers. Remember to place a tripod to ensure safety. It is very important. Then remove the original cut nut. Spray the shaft head with the brush remover. Brush remover is to make the wheel spacer more fit and safety. It is a BONOSS forged FT cooling wheel spacer. Its material is aluminum alloy 6061T6. It is a double anodizing treatment, so it has a long anti-rush time. Learning design. The specially designed cooling groove structure can make use of the rotation of the wheel spacers to allow the external cold air to efficiently and continuously flow through the inside of the wheel spacer to take away heat, thereby achieving the purpose of FT cooling for the braking system, improving braking efficiency and reducing driving security risk. This is BONOSS forged grade 12.9 stud, gas groove, and BONOSS grade T10 nut. Install wheel spacer, install nut, tighten. Oh, finished! It's very easy and no gap. Finally, put the wheels on. The front wheels installation steps are the same. Let's visit the difference. The appearance of the car looks better. If you want to know more about BONOSS wheel spacers, welcome to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.